Today we will be cooking a popular rice option in restaurant menus in the Philippines. My name is Beth and welcome to Beth Can Cook. Let us cook the bagoong first. We will be needing a lot of garlic, a whole head of garlic. Now peel and mince the garlic. If you are having a hard time peeling it, use the flat surface of the knife and crush it first. You may find that the skin will be easily removed. Slice the chilies. You may add as much as you want. You may also leave it out if you do not want it spicy. In a heated pan, put oil and saute garlic until it turns brown. Add the chilies. Add the bagoong alamang or shrimp paste. Mix until the bagoong changes in color. Then add the sugar. Mix until the sugar is dissolved. Cook it for about 20 minutes and set it aside. Store it in a jar for future use. Next is to prep the ingredients for the fried rice. Peel the green mango and grate or shred it or cut it in julienne style. You may also dice it in small pieces. Set it aside. Cut the spring onions. Crush and peel and mince the garlic. Again, you may add more if you want a garlicky fried rice. Mince the shallots. I use shallots because it has a sweeter taste. But you can also use the yellow onion or the white onion. Cut and dice the tomatoes. Wash and remove the seeds. Now let's move to the stove. Heat an oil. Saute onion until it softens a bit. Add the garlic. Saute for 3 minutes or until the garlic is slightly toasted. Then add the shrimp paste. Give it a mix and put in cooked rice. It is best that we use a day-old rice or cooked rice that has been chilled overnight. Mix until rice is fully coated with shrimp paste. Then transfer it to a serving dish. You can eat this as it is, or you can pair this with any meat or seafood dishes, or even a barbecue. And garnish it with mangoes. You do not want to skip adding mangoes to this kind of fried rice because this balances the saltiness of the shrimp paste, tomatoes, and spring onion. Some other restaurants serve this with other ingredients like cucumbers, jicama, carrots, scrambled eggs, chicharron, but these are optional. There you go, our shrimp paste fried rice. For sure your family and friends will enjoy this. And if you also enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.